Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be making gluten-free pancakes, and I'm making these pancakes out of buckwheat flour. Now buckwheat is a great alternative to conventional flour, so stay tuned for the recipe.
So in a bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of buckwheat flour, 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a dash of cinnamon. And then I'm whisking all the dry ingredients together. In a separate bowl, I'm adding 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Oops! And 1 egg. And then I'm whisking the wet ingredients. And now I'm going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix it all together. If you find the batter is too thin, you can slowly add a bit more buckwheat flour like I'm doing here. This was about 1/4 cup more of flour. So this is the consistency that I'm looking for. It's not too runny and it's not too thick. I put my skillet on medium heat, added some butter, and now I'm adding about 2/3 cup to the batter into the pan. So each side is going to take about 2 minutes, but it won't get the bubbles like regular pancake mix to let you know that it's done, so you might just have to check it just to make sure. So I got 9 good-sized pancakes out of this batter. And I'm trying to reduce my carb count, so I'm having this with some fresh strawberries instead of maple syrup. It was just as tasty.
So there you have it, a gluten-free pancake recipe. So if you try this recipe, let me know how it goes in the comments below. And if you like this recipe, please consider subscribing. Until next time, take care.